Here is a slightly more complicated question. You are asked to factorise this expression here. It's not the same as all the other quadratic equations that we have had. In fact, it's not a quadratic at all. But what we do notice is that you have a squared concept here subtracting another squared concept here. So it sort of mirrors the idea of the differences of two squares. What we need to do is figure out what it is that is squared in the front and what's being squared in the second half of this expression. This is a square number, this is a square number, so we can square root them both separately to work out what this fraction would be. It's 4 over 5. And to get y squared, we would simply have to square the y. Similarly, looking at the second expression, 36 is 6 squared, 49 is 7 squared, and x squared would come from squaring the x. So now that we've decided what the two expressions that are squared are, we can write this out in a factorised form. You write out your two brackets with the first expression written at the front of the two brackets. So 4 over 5 y and 4 over 5 y. And at the end of each bracket, you write down the second expression, 6 over 7x and 6 over 7x. And as we do with all differences of two squared factorisation methods, we put a plus in one and a minus in the other.